Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to be taking a walk down the first half of Calle Girona. Let's see what happens. So here we are, starting off on Calle Girona. Still got the old sort of shopping centre. Honestly, I really don't know why they don't just knock it down, build something new in it maybe, because I mean, let's face it, don't really look too nice, does it? Bit of an eyesore. And well, last time me and Mike were in there, a lot of the sort of units in there aren't really being used. Some of them may be being used for offices. Think that's all that's in there now. Few offices, cafes, a post office and a gym. Of course, starting off as well on Calle Girona, you have another kebabish takeaway place. Literally popping up everywhere, guys. They are taking over Benidorm. You could go as far as saying kebabs are now probably the national food of Benidorm. Long gone are the days of paella. Quite quiet down on the strip. It's still early though, so we'll probably pick up in busyness some point later, hopefully. Of course, across the road is Tepoy, something like that. Kind of burger restaurant. Looks nice. And of course the steps into the old shopping centre. Just there. Bet you didn't know that the sort of inside middle main bit of the shopping centre were actually used for a scene in Benidorm. The exact scene, of course, being when we see Jerry, Tiger and Wob tried to con the local casino. That whole scene filmed in this sort of area. Like, I think that's probably the last time it had something done to it, really. Got, of course, WhatsApp bar just there. Open for another day of business. I mean, it's quite surprising seeing some of the bars down here open this morning. I mean, I would have thought they'd all been shut right until like 12 o'clock to open. I mean, that is a common sort of thing to happen in Benidorm. But maybe they're running out of money and they want to try and make some more, guys. Jumping Jacks as well is open early, but not very busy, sadly. Only about 2 people sat in there. Wow. That's that business picks up for them later on today. Of course, we have one of many new bars on the strip. The $1 million bar, $1 million saloon, or whatever it goes as now. Offering 4 live shows apparently. Got Rocky Road, Diego Cabatou, Kenny Griggs, and to finish the night off a DJ. Not a bad night. Funky Flamingo as well, wow. Still open, surprisingly. And on this side you have all your best food bars. Looks like something new could be going in there. Winning Post Cafe. Whether it's a good idea for them, I'm unsure. I mean, they've got the Winning Post here, and well, that's the main part of it really. Like, best food in Benidorm, plus place where you can do some betting. And of course, you've got Tad's Yorkshire Pride, probably the only one open. And Planet Benidorm now does food as well. Fish and chips. Looks like you can get some sort of breakfast. Salad with breakfast. Bit weird. A salad with a breakfast. No. Don't really go well with it, does it? Course as well. Greenie's just down there, sort of in the back. That is looking busy. So I'm guessing that's the full breakfast. Got some leaves on it. Bit weird putting leaves on a breakfast. I mean, I thought humans come to Benidorm. Apparently not. It's giraffes as well. Bit stupid really, but hey ho, bar's got money to lose, so they do what they like. So on the corner, and they're simply the best preparing for another busy day. They are quiet at the moment, but come about 12 o'clock they will be pretty busy. The Hotel Marina in White Saba still not open yet, surprise, surprise. Behind me is of course Tiki City, that's a bar mainly open of an evening. Then coming back onto the corner, Planet Benidorm, trying to keep up with the bars by doing food. I mean, why? They're a sort of nightclub-ish bar, like why do food? Crazy. I guess the fact is, let's do that again. I guess the fact is that with the amount of new bars opening in Benidorm, you just got to try do different stuff. Like you got to do whatever you can to actually make a living. So I mean, hence why they do food in Planet Benidorm. I mean, what next, guys? Beachcombers opening up every morning to do English breakfast? I mean, you never know, guys. Whatever they need to do to make money, they will do. Before I do forget as well, Big Willie's Joke Shop just there next to Tiki City if you are wanting any pranks or fancy dress. Anyway, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think's going on down on Calle Girona then. Are bars really that struggling down here? Or are they really finding it hard to make an honest living? Who knows? I mean, maybe they are, being as more places are selling the unknown Charlie. And I don't mean Charlie Chaplin either. Anyhow, guys, make sure to smash that like button, smash the subscribe. And as always, it's another day here in paradise. It's another day here in the office. I've done that wrong, but hey ho.